Welcome to Umar Sharif's Hospitality and Catering. Today we'll see about male grooming standards. Grooming standards for hospitality professional. Grooming, care taken in personal appearance, taking care of personal appearance or the way in which somebody is groomed. Grooming standards for men. First, hair. Hair should be conservative and well maintained. Hair should be short and neatly cut and should not fall on the forehead. Hair at the nape should be clean cut and not fall on the collar. Hair should be neatly combed and not oily, should not be permed. Only conservative hairstyles are permitted. Moustache must be neatly trimmed and should not cover the upper lip. Face Face should be clean shaven with not stubble. Sideburns should not be shorter than the top of the ear and no longer than the bottom of the ear lobe. Birds are permitted as part of religious sentiment must be suitably maintained. Nails should be trimmed and well maintained. Nails should be neatly trimmed and cut square. Fingernails should be clean and dirt free. There should be no nicotine, carbon, or ink stains on the fingers. Ornaments on the hands and wrist, only one simple ring to be worn on either side, left or right hand. No bracelets or bands allowed except for religious reason. Watches should not be large and should be conservative. Watch leather strap should be black, brown, or tan and should be in a good condition. Gold or silver metallic straps are also permitted. Footwear must be well maintained. Uniform shoes, if given, are to be worn. Shoes should be Oxford loafers are not permitted. Shoes should either be black or brown, should be well polished and should be in a good repair. Socks should match the color of the shoes and should have no pattern. Socks should be odorless, clean with elastic intact. Uniforms must be immaculate. Uniform should be spotless with no stains. Uniform should be well ironed without unnecessary creases. There should be no loose threads, broken buttons, or any tears. All garments should appear fresh and not faded. The uniform must have a perfect fit to the individual. Your vest should always be worn. Pens, keys, mobile phone, when carried, should not be visible. Specs for males should fit the face properly and should not be ornate or flashy. Cuffs and collars should be clean and stain free. Full sleeve shirts should not be worn with cuffs folded back. Name tags should not be shining and prominently displayed. Belt should be plain black or brown with a simple non-flashy buckle which should not be cracked or dull. Belt should not be more than 1.5 inches wide. A dark, clean, small comb should be carried on person, should not be visible. Handkerchief should be plain, white, crisp, and clean. Personal hygiene should be maintained at all times. Perfumes and deodorant should be mild and used sparingly. Routine hygiene should be followed to avoid body odor. Hands should be washed with soap after every meal. Also, when you visit the restroom, hands must be always be clean. Teeth should be stain free and no bad breath. Gargle after every meal to prevent bad breath. Body weight should should be within prescribed limit. Thank you for watching Umar Sharif's Hospitality and Catering. Do subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.